India detected 69,921 new cases of the novel coronavirus in the last 24 hours, taking the country's total tally to nearly 37 lakh. As many as 819 deaths were reported, taking the death toll to 65,288. After being postponed twice, the joint entrance examination main was held on Tuesday across India. With 1,931 new cases on Monday, Pune has now overtaken Delhi to become the city with the maximum number of people infected with the novel coronavirus. The West Bengal government has said that dates of the statewide lockdown in September will remain unchanged, and it will go ahead with imposing curbs this month as part of its strategy of bi-weekly lockdowns to contain the spread of COVID-19. More than 25.4 million people have been infected by COVID-19 worldwide, while the global death toll stands at 850,762. Over 10,000 people were tested within the first 2 hours of the launch of Hong Kong's universal testing drive, according to a report by China's Global Times. Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro, who has been known to consistently downplay the severity of the coronavirus outbreak, has said that nobody will be forced to have the vaccine against the pandemic once it is developed. Chinese students on Tuesday began a full return to regular classes following 2 weeks without new cases of local transmissions in the country. Just as a lockdown in Hungary's borders took effect, the country has now announced that it will allow tourists from 3 of its East European neighbors, Poland, the Czech Republic and Slovakia, as long as they provide their negative COVID-19 test results.